the guy he visit Silom Grand Terrace today, he want 2 years contract, 38,000. But he want I remove the sofa, he want I remove the mattress, he want I buy new table, very big.
No, he have to buy the new room. He want to organize so many things, he have to buy the new room.
You want to reply to her?
No. You're afraid.
Ta mesque, c'est menu ou pas? C'est les perles. Le blanc il est beau. Le blanc tu le veux ou pas? Tiens le mettre. Enlève.